My name is Aditi. I shall tell how to make a paper flapping bird. It has a tail. We should pull the tail. The wings will fly like this. I tell now how to make the flapping paper bird. First, we need a square paper. We have rectangle paper, no problem. We can tear a square paper from this rectangle paper. Take this corner and hold it towards this. And opposite side we have a rectangle piece like this. We should hold it reverse to the paper like this. Then grease it hardly so you can tear easily. Now we should tear. Now we should tear. So we got a square paper like this. So we had already a triangle grease like this. So we should hold to the triangle grease opposite side. Another triangle grease we should do like this. Then open it up and rectangle hold for this side and for its opposite side also. Same like this. This is the opposite side for this. Now you already hold a triangle hold. Now again hold. We had a diamond shape like this, greases. So we should tear this grease and tear this grease to reach this grease like this. It should reach this grease. Then hold it up. Now opposite side also same like that. Then we will get a diamond shape. Now there's our diamond shape. So if we do not have a middle line like this, you can hold it like this. Then we get a middle line. So we got a diamond shape with 4 flaps like this. 4 flaps. So closed part should face in our direction and open part should face in north direction. So in open part hold it like this. Like this. Do same for all 2 parts. Now grease it up hardly. So we should open all the flaps. Then face our direction to the open part like this. Then we'll get outside a grease here and here and here also, and inside also we'll get the grease. Till the grease you should hold the paper like this. Now do same for left over 3 parts. Then we got one part and another part we should do. Open it up and hold till like this. Then now this part. Now we got a shape just like this. These both are same. So we had a 2 flaps like this. Open a flap and take this and fold upwards direction and hold it up. Do same for this also. Open it up and hold it up and close it up. So we'll get like this. So open this sum and this also sum and this also sum. So the shape is like this. So we can take any triangle we wish to make a head. I want to take this triangle to make a head. Open it some and push inside There is your head. These two are wings of a flapping bird. Hold some and grease it hardly. Then other side. Then open the wings. Then there is a flapping bird. Okay, bye bye. See you later.